Okay, today's class goes like this, and I'm going to display here. Is it displayed in full page?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Full screen.
now look here. Simple interest, okay, revision and formula related to this, okay, video, this one, the topic. Can you tell what is the formula of principal? There are many formulas in principal one.
Principal.
You can tell anyone, correct
Sir,
one word.
sir, I into 100 by T into R.
Okay, I have written here another one. Amount into 100 by 100
into
plus T
100
into R.
T
Okay,
into R.
okay,
Sir,
now
and amount
here
minus interest also.
amount minus interest also. Okay, but what will be here? Can you tell in two number?
Sir, amount minus interest
Let's
or
see
I
here.
into
I
100
into
by
I into
100
I
by
into I.
T into
I
R.
into 100 by T.
Good,
Yes.
good. Interest into 100 by time into rate. Next one, amount also, which one? Formula tell.
amount
Amount equals to
P
Okay,
plus
this also.
P
P
plus
plus I.
P plus I.
Good, you
P plus
told the correct one. P
principal
plus I. Principal plus
P plus
interest.
I, and next one
Okay,
is
you are absolutely right. Next one, it is already interest equals to A minus P. It's already displayed there.
yes.
Now, 5 number interest one tell. Another one.
Another
Interest
one.
is PTR by 100.
You are right. P into T into R by 100. Next time.
I into 100 by P into R or A into 100 by 100 plus P into R.
Okay, here is I into 100 by P into R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one, look
Yes,
there.
sir.
Look, rate of interest already displayed there.
I into 100 by T into P. P into
Now
T.
look here. I have displayed there. Okay, I have shared the one question. Which interest is more, okay, between the interest on rupees 5,000 for 3 years and the interest on 4,000 for this 4 years at the common per annum for rates with 20% and by how much? First we'll find the interest on this both case, okay? But rate of interest for both cases 20% same, okay? And we have to find out which rate is more and by how much more. Let's do it. I am waiting for your answer.
So first we have to find in both cases that.
Yeah, in both cases, find out interest and write which one case is more, which one case has more interest and by how much. Let's find out. I am waiting for your result. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, children?
Sir, the
Sir,
interest
the
rupees
200
4,000
The
for
interest in first case is
4,000 for
3000 and
300
second
and
case is
interest in second case
3200.
is
3,200.
rupees 4,000 for 4 years is greater
Okay, that means
By
first
200
case
is
by
is great.
200.
Yes, first
Sir,
case
first
is
case is 3,000 and second case is 3,200.
good. Who found first here?
sir. So many.
Many students have found first. Okay, many students have found it easily. Okay, let's see the answer. Your answer is my answer is same or not? Look here. Is the answer correct? Your
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Second by 200. Yes, sir.
second by rupees 200.
Rupees 200.
Second by rupees 200. Have you found like this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, but
Yes, sir.
but you have to show the solution also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now look here. Let's do question number 2. The
The amount of
the amount of a sum of money in 2 years and 5 years. Amount and sum of money. Sum of money is same. Okay. Sum of money for the both the cases is same. Principal is
So
same,
sum
but the
principal.
time is different. Time is what there first 2 years.
amount of
Second time is 5 years. And amount also different. For 2 years amount is 2,800, and for 5 years amount is 3,250 respectively. Find the sum and find the principal. Find the
Sir, but rate
principal
of
here.
interest is not given.
Yes, sir. Rate is not given an out to
Yeah,
find.
you are absolutely right. Rate is not given. First find out rate by using.
Sir, rate I got 6% per sorry, per annum.
You got the 6% per annum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and after finding the after finding the after finding the rate after finding the rate you can find out the principal. You can put in
Yes,
any
sir. The
any
sum of
condition.
R
first
equals
one is
to I
rupees
into
2,500
100
and second one is also rupees 2,500.
Yes, you are absolutely right. First case and second case answer will be that is same principal. Principal is same. Sum is same for both the cases. Okay, children.
Sir, R out to that's fine. Then.
Look, its answer will be like this. Rupees 2,500 will be the principal for this. Look, I am again telling you, there will be two cases, okay? There will be two cases. For the first case, are you listening to me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look here, I am telling you orally here. First of all, principal equals to A into 100 by 100 plus T into R. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And in place of time you have to write 2. In place of amount you have to write 2,800. And
And the
suppose
rate
that
suppose.
suppose that equation 1. Suppose that equation 1. And when you solve the second type here, second type, principal equals to A into 100 by 100 plus TR. Here you have to write amount 3,250. Okay. Time you have to write 5. Rate is not given, right? Rate only, R only there, remain there. Okay, it remains R only. And suppose that equation is equation 2.
Okay.
Suppose that equation 2. Then both the values are the values of P. The principal is same for both the cases. Okay, principal is same for both the cases. Then if both are P value, principal value, then both equation 1 and equation 2 will be equal to each other. If they are equal to each other, let's equate them, make them equal. After finding if you make them equal, then you will get the value of R. After finding the value of R, that value of R you can put in condition 1 and condition 2, either 1 or 2, no problem. You can put the value of R in condition 1 and condition 2, any one, you can choose. Both the answer will give value rupees 2,500. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Look, I am going to show you next one question. Let's do here. There are also two parts of the question. First one is given time given, principal 2,400, interest is given 576. What is we have to find out interest on principal 4,200, time is 2 years, at the same rate. Whatever rate you get from first case, that rate will be used in second case.
Oh, rate we have to find it.
Okay, children. From first case,
Okay,
find
sir.
out. From first case, find out what? Rate,
Rate.
and that rate will be used in second case. Okay? Then it will give the answer, correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Let's do. Don't take more than 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in second case, we should have to find principal.
In second case, you have to find out interest. Okay? What is the interest on rupees? This principal is 4,200, time is 2 years, and rate, whatever we find in first case, that rate will be used in second case.
Sir, and in second case, we have to find.
Yeah, in second case, you have to find out simple interest. Interest equals to P into T into R upon 100 formula used. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, answer will be 67
Sir, 670.
7200.
So 670 answer will be
Let's
72.
check. Let's check
672.
answer. Let's check answer.
Yes, sir, 672.
Rupees 672 will be the answer. Have you found?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. 672.
Good.
Oh,
Very
yes.
good. Very good. Very good attempt. Very good.
Yes, sir.
solution.
Yes, sir.
Now, look. 4 number. In 4 number, there is given amount is what?
Amount is
3,250.
250.
Time is?
In 6 years.
Time is 6
6
years.
years.
Rate of interest is?
5% per
Annum.
amount.
What is asked to find here?
Principal.
Principal. Okay, let's find out. Let's find out.
Sir, answer will be 2500.
2,500. You found the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very nicely you have done. Okay. 2,500. Let's take the answer here. Is it?
Yes, sir. So this question we have to do in raw or fair.
You can do in fair also. Okay, Nani? You can keep in fair
Sir,
also.
I have done in raw copy.
No problem. You are practicing.
I
No
also.
problem. We can prepare later on. Fair you can make. Okay.
Sir, can you send next question?
Okay, I am going to say the next question. The next question goes like this. Look here. Has it been shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this question? Okay, what is asked here?
In how many? Sir, some principal.
In how many years means time?
Oh,
The
time. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Time.
question is asking to find time. Okay, Nani? Now here, amount is given. Amount we have to suppose X. Amount suppose X. Then what will be here? Sum. Sum is
Principal.
half of amount means if amount X, then sum principal will be 1 by 2x.
Of X.
1 by 2x. Okay. Then the time is asked to find the rate of interest is given there 10% per annum. Rate of interest is given there 10% per annum. Then
20 years. So 20 years.
you found
Sir, 10 years.
Sir, how that it will there is no interest on
answer. Answer is already displayed there. Can you see?
Sir,
10
10.
years.
Yeah, 10
Yes,
years.
sir.
I am again repeating here. You have to suppose amount is okay. Amount be X, then sum. Sum means principal. Principal will be 1/2. Half means 1. This 1/2. Half of X means 1/2X. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now by solving it, you will get 10 years. In such case, principal is half, amount is X. Then what will be the interest? You know, interest equals amount
Interest
minus principal. From X, if you subtract 1/2X half, then interest will come here also.
half.
Half. Very good, very good. 1/2X will be there. Interest. Have you got the point?
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
And
The
if you
interest
solve-
will be 1/2x.
Yeah, interest will be 1/2X. Very good. Then if you know the interest, you can find out time.
Time.
Time equals to interest into 100 by P into
R.
R. Very good, very good. Okay. I hope you have done these five questions very, very easily.
Yes, sir.
Have you done? Have you
Yes,
done
Yes,
in
sir.
copy? Have you done in copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to check your solution. You please turn up the page. I am going to check your solution one by one. Let's start with the first solution. Let's
Yes, sir.
start with the first solution. Have you done like this? Look here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which formula you use? Interest equals P into R upon 100 by 100. Then you got answer 3000. Have you got?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, first interest is 3000. Then second case, what was your interest?
Sir, 3,000.
3,200.
3,200.
200. Very good. Then did you find like this?
Yes, sir. Found it.
Interest on second case is more and
By
difference
200.
was there. 3,200
200.
minus 3,000 equals to rupees
200.
Have you done like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, solution. Okay, correct one. Now listen. Now listen. Here, question number 2. Have you done like this? Look here. I am checking. Question number 2. Have you used first case? First case, have you used this formula? Principal equals
Yes,
A
sir.
by 100.
Yes, sir.
A into 100 by 100 plus T into R. Then did you find this equation 1 like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as I told you, we have to use the second case also, and first case and second case will be equate. We have to equal. Why do you know? Both the first case and second case are the values of the principal. They are the values of the principal. Okay, children.
Because background sound is
Have you done like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I forward next one slide?
Yes, sir. You can.
And okay. Now second case, have you done like this? Look here. Second case.
Yes, sir. Done like that.
Second case. Why first case and second case values are equal? Do you know? Because both of them are. Please, one of
Sir,
the
someone background
stop.
sound is disturbing.
Yeah, please mute the sound, please.
Sir, Jeevan Guru.
Sir,
Jivan.
Jeevan Guru.
Hello, Jivan. Please mute the mic. Mute the mic, please. Mute the mic. First case and second case, both the values are the values of P. They are the values of principal. That's
P.
why we have to equate them. We have to make them equal. Okay, children. Now we
Okay,
have to
sir.
equal them. Then answer will come like this. Look, 100 will be cancelled here. Multiply. That's why. If you cross multiply, 280 will multiply with 100 plus 5R, and 3200, look at 2800 will multiply with 100 plus 5R. This 0 also cancel, then it will be 280 only. And 325 will multiply with 100 plus 2R. Then we will get the value of R. How much will get value of R? Can you tell? Can you tell? What is the value of R?
Sir,
The values of R will be. Are you
6%.
writing? You can
6%
take
per
the
annum.
screenshot also, okay? Its rate will come like this, 6% per annum.
6%.
Percent per annum.
I hope you have solved like this. And after
Yes,
this,
sir.
after finding the value of R, you have to substitute the value of R 6% per annum in equation 1. You can substitute in equation 2 also, okay? You substitute the value of R as your interest, whether in 1 or 2. I have substituted in 1, then it will give like this value. Cancel up and down, then you will get the sum P, principal P, that is 2500. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This type of question, okay, these are collected from the state book 1, okay? Question collection 1 book, BLE. Okay, children? I hope you are clear about this question. Now let's move to the next one solution. Next solution is like this. Our next solution. Have you taken its? Have you written it? Have you taken its short or screenshot?
Screenshot. Yes, sir, already.
Okay, you can take. Okay. Question number 3. In question number 3, there are the two cases. Have you done first case like this? Okay. Rate equals to I into 100 by P into T. And this rate will be used in
Second case.
second case. Very good, very good. Okay. 8% per annum is the first one value, and this rate 8% per annum will be used in second
Second
case.
case.
And
Second case.
okay, second case is there. Again, principal is 4,200 times 2 years, rate of interest just found 8% per annum, and using interest one. Interest because of P into T into R by 100. Then our values will be like this, and if you cancel them, you will get the answer 672. Have you got Lakshay like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
670.
Yes. You are absolutely correct. Then similarly look at next one. Four number. It is asking to find their sum principal, right?
Yes, sir.
Principal equals to A into 100 by 100 plus T into R. Then
Yes.
6 5 is 30, then 130. 130 will divide to 1 cent, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 3 lakh 25,000 divided by 130. What will be the sum then? Its sum will come rupees 2,500. I hope you have done like this. Have you done like this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Done
Yes,
it.
sir.
Good, very good. Now let's look next question. What is the question there?
In how many years will a sum of a sum be half of its amount at the rate of interest 10% per annum?
Good. We have to suppose amount X, I have told you already.
Yes, sir.
Then principal is 1 by 2x. 1x by 2 also can write. Then interest equals to A minus P. Interest equals to A minus P. Amount is what there? X. Principal is there. 1 by 2x. Then when we subtract them, you will get interest how much there? X by
X by 2.
2. Then rate of interest is given that 10% per annum. Time is asked to find. Then we have the formula time equals to interest into 100 by P into R. Have it like this? Then
Yes.
Yes,
put the value x by 2 up also become x by 2 interest. Principal is also become x by 2. Here interest and the principal is equal here. Okay. X by 2 cancel. 100 divided by 10 means what will be the value? 10 years. 10 years. I hope you everybody have done like this. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It was the solution of all the classwork of today. I hope you all have understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now today's assignment is what there? Revise all the classwork. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Bye. And this is thank you very much.
Bye bye,
This is
sir.
healthy and happy.
Welcome, sir. Bye bye, sir.
And
Bye bye, sir.
thank you very much for watching. Okay.
Bye bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. I love you.
Okay, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Sir, next class, which chapter we will study?
We will study now.